Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to check out the BoAt Rockerz 335 wireless earbuds. This wireless earbuds comes with IPX5 water resistance and gives you battery life up to 30 hours. And you also have low battery consumption, which means you can use it for long hours without worrying about charging it all the time. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Rockerz 335. So this is the box of the Rockerz 335. It's blue in color, it's quite colorful, it's quite informative, and it's got a lot of details. So let's just brush you through all the stuff that's written. It's got this tagline which is be locked and loaded. So that's what BoAt is claiming the whole earbuds system is. You can see the design of the earbuds as well. It's blue in color also. It's got this white BoAt logo on there embossed into it, and then you have these physical controls to control volume and playback and so on and so forth. Then you have these buds. So basically these are the buds which fit in here, and these are wired. So these are, even though it's wireless, it's got wired over here. It fits in over here on your neck, and you can just plug it inside and you can enjoy music. It supports Qualcomm aptX HD resolution, that's audio resolution quality that you get, and then it supports Qualcomm aptX as well. So these are the standards that it supports. In addition to that, you also have the Qualcomm CVC call noise isolation. So when you're taking calls and you want to use these earbuds to take calls, you can actually use this built-in technology into these earbuds to get good quality voice calls without any disturbance or any ambient noise coming through. So this is what you get on the front of the box. At the back you have these features which talks about advanced Bluetooth V version chipset. So this basically supports Bluetooth version 5.0 for connectivity. Then you have smooth integrated controls that we've already mentioned. So it's got this volume control, power button, and so on and so forth. It's IPX5 sweat and water resistance, so you can actually wear it for workouts and all and not really worried about any damages with the earbuds. And then it supports low latency for entertainment. So that's also something ideal. Low latency basically means that you won't feel any kind of lag between music playing and the kind of stuff that you're hearing on the earbuds. So that's again there. And most importantly, it's got low power consumption chipset. So it will make sure that the battery runs for a long time without you needing to charge it all the time. So now let's get inside the box and see what all we have inside. So you have all these basic stuff that you get and along with the earphones over here. So this is the earphone that you get inside the box with the Rockerz 335. This is, as we mentioned, it's blue in color, and it's got this BoAt logo over here, and then there's this slot wherein you fit in the USB Type-C cable to charge the stuff. And then you have the earbuds which gets this magnetic setup. So you can just unplug it, and let's say when it's lying idle on your neck, it will just plug it in self-magnet automatically. In addition to that, you have these other major things that you need when you get started using these things. So earbuds basically work with Bluetooth connectivity, but if there are people out there who really want to understand how this system works, then they can use the user manual, which is bundled inside the box with this. You have this warranty card as well. And then you have this feature set of different BoAt products that you get. This is like a pamphlet that BoAt is giving you. And then there are a lot of people who want to try out different sizes, and probably the default earbuds that you get along with the earphones might not fit you. So you can use any of these different sizes, try it out, and use the one which really fits you. Then you have this black color USB Type-C cable that is used for charging. It's neatly wrapped inside this rubber case, and you can just plug it in and you can charge it using a power adapter that you get with your phone, and so on and so forth. The user manual is basically for you to get started. So we already talked about that the earphones support Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, but how do you connect it to your phone? How do you pair it? Which phones will work with this earphones? All those informations are given, and you can get through that with the user manual given inside the box. These are the items that you get inside with the BoAt Rockerz 335. The wireless earphones, they support Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity, and then you have this Type-C, USB Type-C cable that is used for charging the device, which can be connected to any travel adapter through a power socket and get charging. Then you have the user manual, which talks about how to get started, how to use it, how to pair it with a phone, which phones will work, so on and so forth. And then you have these different kind of earbuds that you can try out depending on what size fits you and your preference as well at the same time. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.